Welcome to Kids Art Channel.
Hello kids! Join us on a miraculous journey to discover the amazing colors of butterflies and learn why they are so beautiful.
I believe in you. You're amazing. You're a superstar.
Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
Great job.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K,
I'm so proud of you.
Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs.
Great job.
Next time, won't you sing with me?
I'm so proud of you. You're doing it. Wow, you're amazing. You're doing your best, and that's super. Your creativity is awesome.
I hope kids you enjoyed it. See you next time. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.